Hi everyone, welcome. My name is Andreas Waatz, and in this tutorial we're gonna learn about this.
Okay, so in this Hostgator tutorial we're gonna learn how you can install WordPress from your cPanel in your Hostgator account. Okay, so to do this, just log into your Hostgator account. If you don't have the link, I will add the link in the description. Okay, so I'm gonna click on customer link. I'm gonna log into Hostgator, customer portal, portal login. Just add your email, add your password, click on next, click on login. Alright, so now we're gonna click on this one, launch cPanel. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the left sidebar and click on Website Essentials. Now click on one-click installs. Like that. And now we're gonna choose WordPress. Click on that. Okay, so if you have a domain, we're just gonna click on select a domain. I'm gonna choose this one. And we're gonna click on next. Now just add a blog title. You can change this later on. Like that. You can add admin user. I'm just gonna add admin. Add a first name, a last name, an email. Okay? So also check automatically create a new database for this installation, and then you get by clicking install import you accept our terms of service, so make sure to read that, and after that click on check and click on install. Okay, so WordPress is installing. Okay, so now we got installation complete. Continue browsing the marketplace or view credential below. Okay, so make sure to save these information. So I'm just gonna copy the password and gonna click on login and add your user, in this case admin, and paste your password. And if you want, you can click on remember me like that, then click on login. Okay everyone, so now we have installed WordPress using the cPanel in your Hostgator account. We can just click right here and we will see the fresh installation of WordPress. Okay everyone, so this is how you can install WordPress using cPanel in Hostgator in 2019. I hope this helped.
Okay everyone, so this is the end of this tutorial. I hope this helped. If you want, you can leave a comment below. You can subscribe to my channel right here, and also check out my latest video right here. So I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.